Hey everyone, it's Richard, Bilt's resident travel expert, and here today we're talking about Accor. All, or Accor Live Limitless, is a free loyalty program from Accor Hotels that offers rewards and benefits for a variety of experiences and activities at some of the most luxurious hotel brands in the world. Accor Hotels now has over 50 brands, many of which Americans are not familiar with. However, if you travel to Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, you're going to see hotel brands like Raffles, Novotel, Fairmont, and more that are some of the best hotels I've ever stayed in. The All program works a little bit different, where every single point has a fixed value of 2 euro cents per point. That means no matter what the hotel costs, you just divide that cost by 2 euro cents, and that's how many points you need to use to book a free night. You don't have to have enough points for an entire free night. You can subsidize your stay as much or as little as you want based on how many Accor points you have or how many Bilt points you want to transfer into Accor. One of the great things about Bilt is we have the best transfer ratio in the market for Accor points. For every 3,000 Bilt points you transfer to Accor, you will get 2,000 all points. This is a 3-to-2 ratio and better than the rest of the market that only gives you a 2-to-1 transfer ratio. Let me show you how to use Bilt points to book a hotel with All. First thing you do is go to all.com. This is the Accor Live Limitless website. You log into your All account, and then you're gonna pick the destination that you want to travel to. Remember, the way the All program works is every point is worth a flat 2 euro cents per point. So the price that you see populate in your search results, you're gonna divide by 2 cents. That is how many Accor points you need. In my case, I'm gonna search Banff, Canada, which is home to a couple of Fairmont properties that are incredibly popular. I'm gonna search out, let's say November 12th and the 13th for one night. I click search and it's gonna show me the revenue prices. So here, the Fairmont Banff Springs, one of the most popular hotels in all of Banff, in Canada really, that a lot of people wanna stay at. If we click on the hotel here, it gives you all of the details. I'm gonna choose this room, and you see here in blue, pay with reward points. And you might at this point go, okay, how do I do that? You just need to continue on with the checkout process. So if I click continue again, it's gonna offer me a few upgrades. I typically skip this step just so I can see what kind of points we're talking about. And here on the final checkout screen, it's gonna ask me to confirm my information. So I'm here on the final payment screen for the Banff Fairmont Springs, and you see it is $591.67. And you go, Richard, how in the world do I know how many points it is? Because I have 2,000 All Accor points in my profile, I can save up to $43.28. You might say 48.23, that's not really anything that's divided by 2. Remember, this is 2 euro cents per point, so it's taking into account the current exchange rate. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but basically divides it by 2. It's gonna be a little bit different based on the current euro to dollar exchange rate, but you can see here, if I click use 1,000 points, it saves me $21. If I use all 2,000 points, it saves me $43. And now I have an even cheaper stay. Now let's transfer Bilt points over to your All account. First, go to the Bilt website or app, open the travel tab, and tap into the transfer section to find All. You can link your All account by clicking on the enroll or link accounts button. Awesome, your accounts are linked and you're ready to transfer Bilt points to All. Now you can go book some amazing hotels around the world. Thanks for watching. With that, I'll see you out there.